So the additional materials needed to finish up the flooring on our steps and install the baseboards around the entire perimeter of the garage and bathroom have arrived. And Patrick has returned to get the job done. Weather's not so great today, so he set up a tent so he can do the cutting outside. Much appreciated. This guy is pretty excited about someone being in our garage. She wants to play. Not now, Sky. Evidence of the wind. Only a little bit more tile to put down. See, Sky, it's not so slippery. Wrapping around the corner. This weather's behaving more like spring. The glue catcher. Talking about these little flies have just been everywhere lately. I had to sacrifice half my cup of coffee when I saw one floating in the top. It would have been extra protein, but I just couldn't make myself drink it.
You're right.
There's one of those little flies. They're everywhere, for comparison. Those little flies seem to like corners. I hope it isn't a sign of a problem. But it's not one that really houses cars right now. Talking about the garage being a room. There is room for one car and a motorcycle.
There you go.
One piece. Almost.
Yeah, I'll do a short one at the end there so it's not right on this cut.
Makes sense. Lily, do you want to come in and see what's going on? Want to say hello to Patrick? Come on, kitty, kitty, kitty. It's okay. What do you call those edges again?
These right here?
Yes.
Just like a mitered edge, you mean? Or
Well, I mean the name of the part, I guess. Is
a stair nose?
Stair nose, okay.
Yeah.
One remaining stair nose, please. Couple more pieces left. And the rain starts. Tape's coming off to reveal this beautiful, what will we call this? Steps. Steps up to the platform.
Now we need to put a hot tub in the room.
There you go.
That really smoothed it out
Most definitely.
by caulking the seams of the luxury vinyl tile. And it's like a matching color.
Yeah, this is that almond color that I was telling you about, but this is the big stretch.
That's the manufacturer's name of the
Yeah.
brand? Oh, okay. Wow, what a change. Just filling in the cracks. We got a finished product here. It's beautiful. Very happy with the results. Not going to step on it very hard until maybe 24 hours.
Yeah, even tomorrow, 12 hours should be fine.
I hope I remember.